your dream looks like it is to bring the living room out into the nature. How would you say that you're achieving that vision with Kiwi Vans?
It's a complete new way to combine the working and travel. With this kind of individual and unique campervans, we combine the home office and the living room in the nature. We approach to design each campervan individual to get complete different clients to taste the working at home office or living in the nature. Overall, I would say it's a complete new way.
But isn't it difficult to have to essentially design a new product each time to really address every customer's needs and preferences?
Yes, we only could manage this with the complete 3D data from our manufacturer. And for this, help us the 3D experience to manage the high amount of data, to work with the data and manage the complete life cycle.
Wow. Okay, so would you say that you're expanding the horizons of modern urban mobility?
We try our best.
Thank you so much for your time, Thomas.
Thank you.